In this pocket option 5-second strategy, we are going to use this indicator that is called super trend. You can find this indicator at here. If you click on it, it will be implemented in your chart. Our candle time frame is going to be of 5 second, and our trading time frame is also of 5 second. I don't know why people do not use this indicator, but most of the time this indicator gives good signal. Okay, so right now, as you can see here, it is saying sell and market is trying to go up. You need to avoid this kind of market while trading with super trend. But if you see a buy at here and you get a signal, you can make the trade in order to book the profit in this way. So we have made the profit. Here you can see how beautifully market is going up. Okay, so you need to use this super trend indicator. Firstly, you need to test it in your demo account whether it is working or not, and it is best to find this kind of market where all the candles are green, and most of the candles are green and it is giving a buy signal. Okay, you need to find that kind of place, and if you see lots of red candle, then you need to stop trading in that currency pair. Okay, so let's try to find in another currency. Here you can see it is a perfect buy at here, and most probably we are going to make profit. See, all the candles are green and we made the profit. It is as easy as it is to make the trade. As you can see here, there was a resistance at here, it has broke it. Now let's wait for some time because market may fall down, but yeah, it is trying to fall down from here. There was a good resistance, you need to keep in mind. Okay, but that doesn't mean this works for the all the time. Okay, like support and resistance, when super trend shows you this kind of pattern, you need to take risk at that time. So let's try to find out in another currency pair. It's saying buy, and there are lots of red candle, you need to avoid this currency pair. Let's see, here you can see lots of candles are green and it is struggling at here, and let's see, so it is trying to fall down, so let's avoid this also. Here also it is not a clear signal, so let's try to find a clear signal like this. Here you can see market is trying to go up and it is a buy signal from super trend. And here you can see some candles are red, but let's see, if it continues to go up, then we can take the risk at here, which I think it will not, because it has already started to fall. So you need to keep on finding. Here you can see, here you can take the risk, because I'll say you, like there are lots of red candles, right? We made a profit, lots of red candles, and it indicator is also saying sale, and here also you can see a pattern of red candle was trying to form. At that type of place you can take risks. So as you can see, I have made 3 trades in total, and all of 3 trades are in profit. And now what we can do is, we are already in profit now. If we make one loss, then we can stop trading for that day. There you can see indicator has shown buy signal, and it is not going up straightly, and there is a resistance, and it is respecting that resistance. Okay, so you need to avoid this kind of market also. So here you can see it was a sharp fall and sell signal, and there is a resistance, sorry, support, and it is struggling in this support. But if it breaks out, then we can think of making the trade. But it seems like it is trying to respect this support. Sorry, yeah, support. And here you can see how it is struggling right now. So we need to avoid this now. Here you can see lots of candles are green. We'll take the risk at here. Okay, because lots of candles are green at here, and let's we made the loss in this trade. However, your chance of making this trade right was also high. Here you can see how small the red candles were. Okay, all of these candles, and there was a series of green candle. If you had made trade any place at here, then also you could have booked the profit. So guys, firstly test in demo account and then test it in your real account. Okay, this super trend indicator, it works like charm when it is working. And if you want to copy my trade automatically into your pocket option account using social trading, by using the social trading feature of pocket option, then do join my free telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this YouTube video and in the first comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.